This week I've been looking at getting the spatial mapping system to detect a surface and then draw a line from one end of the surface to the other, so to represent one of the timelines. Once the mesh has been loaded, I can press a key on the keyboard and this will draw spheres along from the position that the camera was, from below the position where the camera was, up to the edge of the surface. So this one goes up to the wall. And if I am to, say, take a surface like this platform here, it'll only be able to draw one on there because the original point was about here, and then it's been able to draw one more because the surface gets a bit bumpy towards the edge. And say if I put another one here, it was able to draw a line that long, which would create a timeline that long for the user to view. As well as looking at the spatial mapping system, I managed to sign up and request some data from the UK data service, mostly based on people's health over their lifetime and towards later life. So that data will definitely be time-based and be a good example for me to use to read into the HoloLens project. For next week, hopefully I'll be able to have some of the data. I'd also like to get access to a physical HoloLens so I can test the spatial mapping system in a real-world example.